Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Did you know that baking soda isn't just a kitchen ingredient, it has many other uses? This white powder has a host of applications that can make your life easier in ways you may never have imagined. Today I'll share 41 ways to use it so you can get the most out of its benefits. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to receive more tips like this. Let me know in the comments how you usually use baking soda. 1. Insect bite soother. Bites can cause itching and discomfort. To relieve irritation, mix baking soda with water into a paste and apply it to the affected area. 2. Jewelry cleaner. Keeping your jewelry in good condition can be expensive. If you notice it's lost its shine and you'd rather not pay for a professional cleaning, make a paste with baking soda and water, rub it gently, and it'll restore its splendor. 3. Meat conditioner. Some cuts of meat can be too tough and difficult to chew. To improve its texture, sprinkle a little baking soda over the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then cook it. You'll notice the difference. 4. Natural deodorant substitute. Some commercial anti-odor products may contain harmful chemicals or cause irritation. Did you know you can keep your underarms fresh without using them? Baking soda is a natural and effective alternative. Mix a little with water and apply it to your skin to control odor. 5. Tea and coffee stain remover. The residue from these drinks can leave stubborn stains on cups and glasses. To remove them easily, rub baking soda onto the surface using a damp sponge. 6. Refrigerator odor eliminator. It's normal for unpleasant odors to accumulate inside the refrigerator that are difficult to eliminate. If you notice a bothersome aroma when you open the door, place a container of baking soda inside to neutralize it. 7. Teeth whitening. Teeth whitening treatments can be expensive and aggressive. If you're looking for a more affordable and natural option, baking soda can be a good solution. Use it as a toothpaste to reduce stains and safely achieve a lighter shade. 8. Facial scrub. Many exfoliating products can be expensive or too harsh for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a gentler, more natural method, mix baking soda with water and apply it to your face in circular motions. Your skin will be refreshed and softer. 9. Sponge disinfectant. Due to constant use, kitchen sponges accumulate dirt and bacteria that cause unpleasant odors. Instead of throwing them away prematurely, soak them in hot water with baking soda to sanitize them and extend their lifespan. 10. Remedy for heartburn. The burning sensation in the stomach can be uncomfortable and persistent. To relieve it, dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it to balance the acidity. 11. Grease remover. Buildup of grease on pots and pans can be difficult to remove, even with strong detergents. To make cleaning easier, sprinkle baking soda over the surface, add hot water, and scrub well. 12. Drain cleaner. Over time, drains can become clogged, accumulating water and generating unpleasant odors. To clear them, pour baking soda followed by vinegar. The fizzy reaction will make cleaning easier in no time. 13. Treatment for dry feet. The skin on your feet can become rough and cracked. To soften it without spending a fortune on expensive products, soak your feet in warm water with baking soda and you'll notice the difference. 14. Shoe odor absorber. If your shoes or sneakers give off an unpleasant odor, there's a simple solution. Before going to bed, sprinkle baking soda inside them, and by morning they'll have absorbed the unpleasant odor. 15. Stainless steel polish. Over time, stainless steel surfaces can lose their shine and look dull. If your appliances and sinks look dull, mix baking soda with water and apply it to restore their shine. 16. Laundry bleach. Over time, white clothes can acquire a yellowish hue. To keep them spotless without using expensive chemicals, add half a cup of baking soda to the washing machine and you'll restore their whiteness. 17. Kitchen cleaning product. Kitchen surfaces often accumulate grease and dirt that are difficult to remove. To make cleaning easier, dissolve baking soda in water and scrub the affected areas. 18. Carpet odor neutralizer. With frequent use, carpets can absorb unpleasant odors. To refresh them without replacing them, sprinkle baking soda on them, let it sit for a few minutes, and then vacuum. The unpleasant odor will disappear. 19. Towel fabric softener. With prolonged use, towels can become rough and stiff. To restore their softness, add half a cup of baking soda to the washing machine rinse cycle. 20. Oven glass cleaner. Grease and stains embedded in the oven door can be difficult to remove. If you still see residue after cleaning, use baking soda on a damp sponge to easily remove the grime. 21. Hair exfoliator. A dry scalp or scalp full of product buildup can cause itchiness and discomfort. If you need a deeper cleanse and traditional products aren't working for you, add a little baking soda to your regular shampoo to remove residue. 22. Toothbrush sanitizer. With daily use, toothbrushes can accumulate germs and dirt. If you don't feel comfortable using them this way, soak them in water with baking soda overnight to disinfect them. 23. Ceramic grout cleaner. Over time, tile grout can become filled with mold and dirt. Even with regular cleaning, they can still look dark. Apply a mixture of baking soda and water and scrub with a brush to remove embedded residue. 24. Solution for dry nails. When nails are brittle and dehydrated, they can look unattractive. To strengthen them without expensive treatments, soak them in a mixture of baking soda and water. 25. Shower curtain mold remover. Constant exposure to moisture encourages mold growth on shower curtains. To remove it without replacing them, rub baking soda on the affected areas and the stains will disappear. 26. Sink grease remover. Sinks accumulate food debris, bacteria, and unpleasant odors over time. If you want to thoroughly clean them and get rid of the unpleasant smell, apply baking soda and scrub it with a sponge. 27. Litter box odor reducer. Cat litter boxes can generate strong odors that spread throughout the house. To prevent this problem without harming your pet, sprinkle baking soda on the litter to eliminate unpleasant odors. 28. Color enhancer for colored clothing. With frequent washing, colored garments can fade and become dull. To prevent this without using harsh chemicals, add a cup of baking soda to the wash. 29. Iron cleaner. With frequent use, residue can remain on the base of the iron and stain clothes. To avoid this problem, rub baking soda on the surface and it will remove the stuck-on dirt. 30. Odor absorber for upholstered furniture. Over time, upholstered sofas and chairs can become impregnated with unpleasant odors, especially if there are pets or children in the home. To eliminate odors without hiring a professional cleaner, sprinkle baking soda over the surface, let it sit, and vacuum. 31. Makeup brush sanitizer. Over time, makeup brushes can accumulate product residue and bacteria. To clean them thoroughly, place them in warm water with baking soda to remove any accumulated dirt. 32. Cleaning method for stuffed toys. Stuffed animals can accumulate dust and dirt, but washing them with water can deform them. To clean them without damaging them, place them in a bag with baking soda, shake well, and remove excess dust. 33. Remedy for sore throat. Sore throat caused by allergies or colds can be uncomfortable. To relieve it without medication, gargle with baking soda dissolved in warm water. 34. Perspiration stain remover. Sweat stains on white clothes can be difficult to remove. If traditional detergents don't work, apply a mixture of baking soda and water before washing and the stain will disappear more easily. 35. Car floor mat odor absorber. Over time, car floor mats can accumulate unpleasant odors and dirt. To freshen them without paying for a professional cleaning, Sprinkle baking soda on them, let it sit for a few minutes, and then vacuum. 36. Preservative for fruits and vegetables. Fresh produce can deteriorate quickly due to residues on its surface. To prolong its freshness, wash it with baking soda and water to remove pesticides and impurities. 37. Mild detergent for baby clothes. Some soaps can be too harsh for baby's delicate skin. To reduce the risk of irritation, add baking soda to your wash and you'll get a gentler clean without harsh products. 38. Grill cleaning product. After a barbecue, the grill can be covered in grease and residue that's hard to remove. To clean it without excessive scrubbing, sprinkle baking soda on it and wipe it with a damp sponge. 39. Shower curtain cleaner. Over time, shower curtains can become dirty and moldy. To clean them without having to replace them, put them in the washing machine with baking soda and they'll be bacteria-free. 40. Wine stain solution. Red wine stains can be difficult to remove from clothing, carpets, or furniture. To get rid of them quickly, sprinkle baking soda on the stain, add a little water, and rub gently. 41. Bottle and thermos sanitizer. Reusable containers can accumulate bacteria and odors that can't be removed with soap and water. To effectively disinfect them, fill them with hot water and baking soda, let them sit for a few hours, and rinse them well. Baking soda is a multifunctional product with countless applications in the home. From eliminating bad odors to relieving physical discomfort, this white powder is a great ally. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications to continue receiving more useful tips to keep your home in perfect condition. I'd like to know what you prefer to use baking soda for. Your advice might be of interest to others. Please write it in the comments. Blessings to you and your family. See you next video.